or do you always put it in
Yeah.
between?
I want to know. This comes back though. Want
Ready?
to switch, Nelson? Want to switch? Put the board up here.
Yeah.